Need to get paid faster but dread the process of creating invoices from scratch? If generating a professional invoice feels like a chore, you're not alone. Today, we're creating and sending a polished invoice in QuickBooks in under 5 minutes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. An invoice in QuickBooks is more than a bill. It's a trackable sales document that helps you manage your accounts receivable. The Launchpad, the Create Invoice screen. Whether in QuickBooks Online or Desktop, navigate to the Sales or Customers section and click Plus New or Create Invoices. Select the customer from your list. If they're new, you can add them on the spot. The details, products, services, and terms. Add line items for your products or services. QuickBooks will pull the descriptions and rates from your item list. Don't forget to set the payment terms, like Net 15, and add a due date to encourage timely payment. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: save and reuse your invoice items. Spend time once to set up your common products and services in your Products and Services list. This turns future invoicing into a simple click-and-go process, ensuring consistency and saving you immense time. So, just like that, you're equipped to bill professionally and get paid promptly. A streamlined invoicing process goes a long way in improving your cash flow. Now I'm curious, what's your top tip for getting clients to pay invoices faster? Share it in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.